Old new camper. So somebody put zebra duct tape on every window frame, and I'm gonna try to get it off as best I can, but it's not gonna come off clean. So what I'm doing is I'm copper leaf gilding the frame, as you can see I've started doing here. And it's a pretty simple process as far as I know. I mean, you're supposed to prep your surface and have it really ready to go with not piles of tape on it, hopefully. I mean, there you can see there's a little bit of tape rippled underneath because I couldn't get the tape off. So I don't know how long that's gonna last if it's not, you know, flush with the actual wood or the paint wood. But I got 3 materials. I haven't gotten to the top coat yet, so it's still in its bag. But sealer is just basically a primer. It's like the base that you put on, and I'm doing that on the metal surfaces like this fridge and this door screen right here. So I'm just prepping that with the sealer, and I'm supposed to sand it really finely afterwards so that it makes a good little base instead of being super smooth. And then you would put on Gilding Size, which is just glue, basically. I don't know why these things have strange names. If anybody knows that, please tell me why it's called Size instead of glue. And you put that on, let it tack for half an hour, an hour. Mine got pretty sticky after a half hour. And then you would put on some top coat after that was all laid on there. And it's acrylic, so I guess it's gonna, you know, keep it away from the elements. This is top coat gloss clear. I don't know if there's an indoor or outdoor version, but I think I got an indoor version, if there are different kinds, because obviously an outdoor version would be more expensive. So yeah, that's pretty much how gilding is gonna go. And yeah, I just need to clean it up, and hopefully it'll be a super pretty little window, at least prettier than the freaking that right now. So yeah, see you later.